Using the Upside with Uber is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Create an account on the Upside platform. This may involve providing your information, including details related to your Uber driver account. Connect your Uber driver account to your Upside account. This typically involves logging into your Uber account through the Upside platform. Once your accounts are linked, drive for Uber as usual. Upside may offer rewards, discounts, or cashback based on your driving activity. Check the Upside platform for any rewards or benefits you may have earned. Some platforms provide cashback, gift cards, or other perks that you can redeem through their system. As features and partnerships can change, it's crucial to stay informed. Check for updates from both Upside and Uber to ensure you are taking advantage of any new benefits or changes to the program.